Students, we are moving on to the next topic, that is forms and formats which is maintained in the bar and also bar floors. First topic is forms and formats which is maintained in the bar. If you want to know what is forms and formats, you just listen to the first point, then you will be getting a clear picture about that. First one is BOT, it's a bar order ticket. You are the waiter in the bar, and if you want to get any drink from the bar counter, you have to present BOT to the barman and he'll be giving the drinks against that particular BOT. That is the first forms and formats. Second one is breakage register. There are two types of breakage register. If any drinks bottle has been broken, that will be entered in the register. Maybe when you're handling, the bottle is slipped from your hand. It can be beer bottle, wine, even a liquor bottle. That will be entered in the register, and finally you have to make NC bill and all. That will come to learn later, maybe in your next year. Okay, so first breakage register is for the bottles, and the second breakage register is for all the glasswares and the crockery. If any wine glass is broken, or a whiskey glass, or even any crockery is full plate, half plate, quarter plate, anything is been broken, that will be entered in that. Next one is a bill handover register. Every day, even when you are closing the bar, that time you have to hand over all the bill to front desk. So that will be entered with the bill number, date, and everything, even the amount to be entered, and that has to be handed over to the front desk. And when the guest is taking out the final bill, all the bills to be given. For that, we have to give the handover. And the second copy, of course, it goes to the accounts. The next one is beverage sales summary sheet. At the end of the day, when you are closing the bar, from the computer you can take the printout, and you can see how many beers is being sold, and maybe how many drinks, maybe whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, everything is being sold, and you'll be getting a full summary. That will be taken. That you have to keep in a file. Okay. Next one is linen exchange register. Of course, if you want to get a fresh linen, it's against the soil. So when you are giving the soil linens, you'll be getting fresh. So there is an exchange, and that will be entered in the linen register. Next one is stock register. We have to maintain a stock register. That means whenever you are taking the indent, first of all you have to keep the every day. In the morning you have to keep the opening stock, and if you have any indent is being taken, that will be entered. Then the sales, then the closing stock. It goes like that, and every day you have to be taken the physical stock, and that will be entered in the stock register. Then next one is store requisition form. We learned it in another topic, opening and closing duties. And in opening duties, the requisition to be given for store, then for kitchen, and for the when dry items. The requisition, one copy you have to keep it in a file. That is a store requisition form, indents, especially for alcoholic beverages. That will be maintained. The last one is Breakage Register. That means you may have a revenue loss. That is called Breakage due to evaporation or leakage. So if you are not tightening the cap when you are leaving from the bar in the evening, there is a chance for evaporation. Because of that, there is a chance for revenue loss, and when you are handling the drinks, the spillage, everything, it can be happen. That also to be entered in a register, that is called Breakage Register, and the management decides how much percentage to be kept as a Breakage. We can say that. Okay, these are the forms and formats which is maintained in the bar.